So all we have here is just some toilet roll holders, a cork, and then 3 candles, which you can just leave them to the side, and just a base of like cardboard just to lay these on. I'm going to cut this one down half a little bit. So I think I'm going to cut it to there. Okay, so now we're gonna use the patching plaster. Mix the powder together with some water and simply stir until you get a smooth consistency, which will almost look like how ice cream looks once it's melted. So bring these back in. And then we're just going to use some masking tape, and we're just going to tape them down into place just so that they're not going to move anywhere when we pour the solution in. You want to get your cork, so I've got 3 here. I wrapped all 3 corks with some cling film so that I was able to pull the corks out of the plaster once it started to dry. Now you want to pour the product in, so I'm just going to use a spoon. Pour it in, let it go all the way to the bottom. So you can see here that it does get a little bit messy, but don't worry because you're not actually going to see any of the outside of the toilet roll holder. You will want to leave about a centimetre gap from the top, as when you put the cork into the mixture will rise. You then just need to repeat the process for the other 2 holders. After about 30 minutes, I decided to pull out the corks while the plaster was still setting. I would definitely recommend doing it this way, as I'm not sure the corks would come out once the plaster had actually set. As you can see, this one was a little bit of a struggle to get out, and it did actually lift up some of the edges, so you can just use your finger and simply smooth it all down again. I then left them to dry overnight and then went back to them in the morning to finish off. Okay, so now that these candle pillars are completely dry, I'm just going to get a little section of the toilet roll holder. You might need some scissors for this. And just simply put a little section so that you can start peeling the toilet roll away from the plaster. So as you can see, it's coming off really easily. I think it actually, oh my god, it actually comes straight off as well. I thought that it would be completely stuck to the base, so that is amazing. Oh my god, I'm super happy with this. So just keep peeling away. Is just actually coming off amazingly. I thought that it wouldn't work and it would just crumble into pieces, but it's not. So there's the first one. I'm just gonna pop that there. Take off the next one and do exactly the same thing. You can see like the texture, which I think gives it a more realistic effect. And then the last one. There you have it, my 3 little candle pillars. Okay, so what I've done next is I've just got a bowl of paint, and then I'm just going to mix it in with a bit of bicarbonate soda, just to hopefully give it that textured effect again. I'm just going to use a sponge and kind of sponge this on. It's just, I just think it would just be a bit of a better colour for my my colour scheme, rather than just leaving them the pure white. So I'm just going to get this sponge, see that there, and then I'm just going to literally just dab over. So this is going to give it more of a stone effect. Coming along nicely. See that effect here? And you can use whatever colour you want. I just really love this shade of beige, which is called raw linen. I've used it on everything so far.